That looks okay. I'm missing a part. Where's my, there. That should do it. That should do it. What direction do I want to go? It's still flat. Okay, maybe. Let me just go down there a little bit. I don't want to do a downwind takeoff. Okay, now we do another kind of downwind take. Oh. Sounds like it's got machine guns.
The good thing is I got that on video.
Yeah, I have no idea.
I do.